here at the Maverick, and you can dump your tanks here for free. They have water there, but it's not designated as potable water. And this is the cheapest place to get your fuel. Yeah, $3.88 in the month of October in Moab is the cheapest to get diesel. Yeah, well, you know, that's the way it is. And this is a busy little town. Wow. But look at their surroundings. Isn't it gorgeous? Just gorgeous place. Wow. We are in Lions Park, and this is where you can get water for free. See, it has a regular spout on it. Pretty nice, huh? And Mr. Childers is going to pull up here and get some water. We are on our way to Red Cliffs Lodge. They have a fabulous museum there about all the movies that were made in this area. What a beautiful, beautiful canyon drive. Can you imagine what it was like back in the day, seeing movie stars all over this area when they were making these fabulous movies? Oh my gosh, what a blast that would have been. Some of you will recognize the view in front of us from some old westerns made back in the day.
Cows, 50 feet. You know the rules.
Hello, hello. here we are at Devil's Garden, and we take the trail to see all the arches in here. There's between 6 and 8. It is a gorgeous place. Enjoy.
Yeah, that's what we
Hit
should
the
have
trail.
done. Went and had our breakfast and stove with us and cooked us some hash, fresh potatoes.
Okay, we're taking this trail. Here we go. Pine tree. Okay. Look how gorgeous that is.
Okay, as soon as I finish telling my story, I want to hear about what you do, because it feels like, it seems like everyone always wants
What's that?
You didn't have to put in enough work to get here.
Hey y'all, you see those people up on the rocks climbing right there? I'm not sure I want to do that. That looks like it's straight up. Wow. Hey, you're good.
All right.
Ooh. And there's an arch right there. And of course, this is landscape arch here.
Evan.
We're right here, Sandy.
No shoes on, no sneakers.
Right?
You're in your Sunday best.
They're talking about yesterday. They had such a blast.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, run down.
Oh, look at that.
Don't fall. Don't tumble. Whee! All right. There you go. Okay, there you go.